What name is synonymous with camping? Coleman. And they make a great Class C motorhome for you to see. Floor plans will be coming up, but let's start with some features. Now, the smaller Thor Coleman models are available with either a Ford E-Series or a Chevy chassis, plus a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter model. The gas models will have a powerful V8 engine, with the Chevy being slightly lighter and have a slightly lighter GVWR, or gross vehicle weight rating, which is essentially the weight of the vehicle plus your gear. Not to worry, the hitch weight rating for Ford or Chevy is the same at 8,000 pounds, so they'll both have plenty to tow your car. When it comes to the big daddies in the Coleman lineup, those are all Ford all the time. Inside, the first thing you may notice is the impressive 84-inch ceiling height, the linoleum floor, and the beauty of the interior. The cabinets are a gorgeous weathered cherry with nickel finish hardware. The kitchen overhead cabinets have nice decorative glass inserts, and the drawers can all pull out fully as they have full extension metal ball bearing drawer guides. For climate control, you'll get a roof mounted AC, with the longer models being ducted. You'll get a double door fridge, a microwave, an upgraded recessed 3-burner gas cooktop with the glass cover, and an oven. You'll also enjoy the large stainless steel undermounted sink with a single handle faucet that has a pull-down sprayer, and sink covers you can use for food prep. You'll also get a kitchen wastebasket. Another nice touch is the wall cubby with the net that also houses a USB charging port. Not to worry, this is not the only one. There are actually USB charging ports all over, including a wireless charger along with a USB port on the Dream Dinette tabletop. And of course, you're going to get a USB charging center for all your electronics in the bedroom, along with a 12-volt outlet for other items such as a CPAP machine. Let's talk bathroom for a moment. Home-like features include a stainless steel sink, robe hooks, some with multiple hooks, and a porcelain toilet. The shower area has a brushed finish metal shower head and faucet hose, plus utilizes the Shower Miser hot water recirculating system to get that hot water ASAP. Most models will come with a roomy curved shower space with a curtain or a glass door. Now let's look at the cockpit as well as some entertainment. Every Thor Coleman now comes with a 7-inch touchscreen dash radio with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, plus a backup camera monitor. For the Ford chassis models, the steering wheel will have audio and camera controls. A Sirius tuner is standard, as well as an upgraded living area speaker, which is tied into the dash stereo. For entertainment, every Coleman has a 39-inch TV somewhere in the living area, and most have TV prep in the bedroom. The larger ones will have an exterior TV, or one is an option. We're going to head outside to see some great Thor Coleman exterior features, but check this out. Now, there's a single interior switch that can control all the lighting in the lighted rotocast exterior storage compartments. Most Colemans will have massive mega storage too. Plus, for those of us who like to inspect our roof or just lie on top of it and stare at the stars, every Thor Coleman now has a rear ladder. Every model also has a place to get shade thanks to a power awning with integrated LED lighting. The Coleman is self-sufficient thanks to an Onan RV gas generator. Regarding power, you'll get a battery disconnect switch to save power, as well as solar prep to make the sun do some work for you. Just a quick bit about construction before we check out the floor plans. You'll want a motorhome that's solidly built to last camping season after season. With a Thor Coleman, you'll get a welded tubular roof and sidewall cage construction. The roof and walls plus the floor are all vacuum bonded and have block foam insulation, and the front cap is one-piece fiberglass. Let's dig into the Thor Coleman floor plans. First off, every single model is going to have a cab-over bunk capable of comfortably sleeping two. Within this bunk area in most models is a 39-inch flat screen TV on a swivel, so you can take it out for the whole family to enjoy some downtime. Oh, and all Coleman models will sport a Dream Dinette, which can also convert into a comfortable sleeping area. The fact is, every Coleman can sleep a minimum of 5. If they can sleep more, I'll let you know. So for floor plan specifics, let's hit the only Mercedes-Benz Sprinter of the line, the 24CL. The 24CL has a rear bath with a wardrobe closet, snappy, easy-to-use Murphy bed system in a slide-out, and a large cab-over bunk. Overall, the 24CL can sleep 5. On to the gas models. In the 24CM, you'll find a queen bed and a slide-out in a bedroom that has TV prep. A privacy curtain separates the bedroom from the rest of the cabin. The 22EQ is a streamlined, no slide-out model with a corner queen bed. The 24cm has a large slide out, commonly called a full wall slide, as it takes out the entire side past the cab. This model has a large closet space and a privacy curtain for the bedroom. The 27cm sports a wall slide, a king bed, spacious kitchen counter, and a jackknife sofa. You'll also get a 32-inch exterior TV, and the 27cm can sleep up to 7. The 28cm has a large bedroom in the back with a centered queen bed. A 39-inch TV is mounted above the dinette, and there are options for an exterior TV and a TV in the bedroom. The fridge, like the cheese, stands alone. The 31cm is 32 feet and has stacked bunks in the back just outside the main bedroom. This bunkhouse floor plan with a wall slide can sleep up to 8 in comfort. You'll find a split kitchen with the fridge on the entry side, a big screen TV over the dining area, a walk-through bathroom, and a 32-inch exterior TV. Love one, love them all. Find the nearest ones to you at rv.campingworld.com.